Hi, Pranshu.
Hello, ma'am.
Send the link in the group, no? I can't send. My link doesn't tally.
Okay, ma'am. Just
Can I begin the class? Will others also join in? Vanshika, Arpita, Nobunil, Pranshu, Amoga. Okay, today will we start with some literature portion like Merchant of Venice?
Ma'am, can we do language today?
Yes, I didn't hear. What can we do?
Ma'am, can we do language today? Grammar.
Grammar? Yeah, we can do. I thought we've been doing grammar since a long time. So let us do a little bit of literature. But if you all want to do grammar, no problem. I can keep on doing grammar. कोई problem नहीं.
ma'am, I prefer literature. We can start with MLU.
Okay, now let's see how many hands go up for literature and how many for language. Okay, Nobunil
Ma'am,
literature.
first literature too.
Yeah, literature.
Okay, then I will
Okay,
start.
Pranshu, Nobunil, Artita, Amoga. Dhruv is not saying anything. Very diplomatic. Only Vanshika. Acha, Vanshika, then. Yeah, obviously majority wins. So, as we've got the majority for literature today, even I thought that for a long time we've been doing grammar. Vanshika, I will not make you feel sad, what I'm going to do is I'm going to send some grammar in the WhatsApp. You can do that and give it to me. Rather, you're so nearby. You can always do it and give it to me. Physically give it to me. Just as the other children are doing. So with the others who just can't link up so fast, Artita is very far away, Navonil is very far away. So it becomes very difficult for them to come and submit their copies and take their copies. But for you, तो कोई problem ही नहीं है. You just do it and send it.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Acha, so let's start with MOV. MOV, if I start today we will start Act 3, Scene 2, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Wow. Oh God. If we start today, जिंदगी में हम लोग एंड नहीं करेंगे. Really, it is so long. कितना साल लगेगा हम लोग को, I don't know. लेकिन let's start it off.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I have sent you my results yesterday.
What?
I did my class 9 report card, including English mark.
Okay, I'll check it. Cool. Now let's begin. Act 3, Scene 2, where our hero meets the heroine and there's a long discussion, and after the discussion, the marriage takes place, and obviously this man selects the right casket and thereby he happens to win the hand of Portia. Okay. Acha, on Thursday, I might join from my mobile because Thursday evening I will not be here, means at my house. I'll be somewhere else. So I will join in through the mobile, and over there, if I am having problem and if we are having network issues and if I am unable to connect on Thursday, then this class will be taken on yeah, Sunday morning.
Sunday.
Yeah,
संडे
Saturday
नहीं
or
मैम, संडे नहीं.
सैटरडे होता नहीं है सुबह. सैटरडे सुबह मेरा 8 बजे से 12:30 बजे तक क्लास रहता है. उसके बाद तो आई स्लीप ना. सैटरडे तो
हाँ
आई
तो
स्लीप.
संडे आई स्लीप.
संडे लेट इन द मॉर्निंग अराउंड 10:30 11 क्या तुम स्लीप? हाँ
मैम यू
Yes,
स्लीप एट 1 o'clock, I sleep at 10 o'clock मैम.
you get up at 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock we can have the class. If see I am taking class on Thursday, I am saying कि network issues अगर हुआ क्योंकि I will not stay over here.
हाँ
So that
फ्राइडे
is why कहीं और. हाँ
फ्राइडे.
Friday means
फ्राइडे मीन्स फ्राइडे.
no, Friday I won't be here. I'll come
Friday.
back the day before Holi. No, Saturday night.
तो फिर सैटरडे कैसे कराओगे क्लास?
नहीं, कोई किसी को ट्रबल नहीं है तुम लोगों के जैसा कि सुबह उठेंगे नहीं, शाम को सोएंगे नहीं, and all this problem nobody has. Whenever I say I
नहीं
take a class at 7:38 in the
आप
morning and
आप
7:38
आप
बिल्कुल आता है।
आप बोल रहे हो कि सैटरडे को आप बाहर ही रहोगे और आप बोल रहे हो कि सैटरडे को क्लास कैसे करेंगे?
देखो जैसे तैसे करके डेटा भर के आई विल टेक अ क्लास। अब वो थर्सडे अगर सही सही हो गया मेरा, तब तो सैटरडे संडे का चांस नहीं है। अगर थर्सडे आई एम अनेबल टू डू बिकॉज ऑफ दिस shifting, then I am saying as a second option I am keeping Sunday. Otherwise so Thursday only, जैसे कि मेरा time है 4:30, that's the first option I have in my hand. If I am unable on that day, then I will transfer it to Sunday.
ओके
If I can take, then I'll take. क्योंकि मुझे तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है तुम लोग के साथ क्लास करने में, मुझे अच्छा ही लगता है। And wherever I am, I can easily call out 1 hour to take your class. कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं। So only thing is कि नेटवर्क इश्यूज शायद से हो सकता है, अगर हुए तो। क्योंकि आजकल ना ज्यादा नेटवर्क इश्यूज नहीं होता है, हर एक के घर में स्टेबल नेटवर्क कनेक्शन है, नंबर 1। एंड नंबर 2, मोबाइल डेटा भी अच्छे से ऑपरेट कर रहे हैं धीरे धीरे, यू नो दैट फॉग में सब कुछ नहीं है, वी आर लाइक काइंड ऑफ ओके नाउ। एंड अब प्रॉब्लम होगा भी नहीं, प्रॉब्लम विल स्टार्ट आफ्टर द वोट। अब कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा, बिफोर द वोट कंडीशंस विल बी वेरी गुड। ओके, यस मिस्टर श्रेयश, you joined in late. If you want, you can call your friend, otherwise he'll miss out on Act 3, Scene 2. And I don't know whether he is on or in or whatever he is. Acha, Portia. Now Portia is
Ma'am
pouring
is
her
not in
heart
Kolkata.
out. I will also not be. Tomorrow night only I am going out. But I will take class. So why can't he attend class?
Ma'am, because there is no network. He's in Kashmir.
Kashmir में no network.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, before we start, once I had asked you the question, what is the rhyming scheme of the scrolls?
Rhyming
Ma'am,
scheme of the scrolls. Yes.
so ma'am, what is it?
I don't know only. I didn't even bother. I forgot. Now I'm
Ma'am,
remembering
it is
again.
having neither rhyme nor proper rhythm. That's what I feel. Because it's just there to state something. Like in two lines, it may be rhyming, but the next two lines are not. That is the thing.
What are you saying? If we see the scrolls, then the rhyming scheme is like A and then BB and so on.
Will you get answers like this?
No,
I
ma'am, I
don't
was
think so.
asking because, ma'am,
Just for curiosity.
yes, ma'am, and also I would also like to have the rhyming scheme or the meter of the song that Portia plays, because in some way she might be giving a clue to Basanio.
Oh, acha, you have a right point. Matlab, you are trying to find out ki whether Portia is giving a clue to Bassanio for the correct selection of the cascade.
Yes,
Acha,
ma'am.
because all the teachers say that Portia is giving a clue to Bassanio, but according to me, no clue. I don't find any clue in whatever Portia says about You know?
Ma'am, but the rhyming scheme or the meter may also be the clue. Like if it is like a trimeter, then it could be the third casket, which is the lead casket.
Baap re. My goodness, how much you are thinking. That's cool. That's very nice. Hi, Namonil, কোথায় গেলি? And Amoga is also not aware. Okay. Now, Portia says, I pray you tarry.
Volume adjustment.
Okay, your volume adjustment. Okay. Portia says, I pray you tarry. That is, I beg of you, I persuade you, please delay. As soon as you've come, don't go to the selection of casket. Wait here, spend some time with me, let's have some gossip, chai adda vadda, and then you can go and select your casket. Okay. Pause. Oh, acha, he's not saying pause for a while. He's saying pause a day or two. Aha. Here only though she has given a lot of clue. When the girl in whose house there isn't anybody, only her servants are there, and servants won't raise their voice against the master, mistress over here, and she is telling the man who has come over to her place that wait for a day or two, means 1 or 2 days you can spend with me before you choose the casket. This is a proper clue, proper hint in itself that she loves him and under any circumstance she wouldn't want to lose him. I pray
Um,
you tell. Huh?
I just realized that this line can also be a clue to the lead casket because if he were to wait 2 days, then he would select on the third day, which may refer to the third casket.
This is very nice that you are ultimately finding the third casket. All clues are pointing to the third casket. Kind of okay. Wait 1 second. Acha Baba, God. Huh. Acha, have you all heard anything about the lockdown again starting?
I have heard rumors that the lockdown will start after the
The
election
vote.
results are
Vote.
declared.
Yes. After the election results, you will again have the lockdown. Yes. So that's why I'm trying to tell you, don't get adjusted to the going out mood so fast because conditions are not good at all. But the conditions are being suppressed because of the thing, the voting and all that. Everywhere lockdown has started again. This is the second. This is the second phase, or what phase do you call it? I don't
And
even
second
understand.
wave.
Wave. Acha. So Portia says, I pray you tarry, pause a day or two. Just wait for 1 day or 2 days before you hazard. Before you hazard means before you take the risk. Acha, यहाँ पे तो again she is saying the word hazard. And on the lead casket, what is written?
If you choose me, then you shall hazard all you have.
हाँ, तो यहाँ पे भी तो hazard word has come out. Okay, before you hazard, for in choosing wrong, if you happen to choose wrong casket, the wrong casket, I lose your company. Then you obviously the casket says that if you choose wrong, then you just can't spend another moment and you have to leave and go. So automatically she is saying that if you choose the wrong casket, then you have to leave and go. Therefore, forbear a while. Forbear means wait a while. Wait a while. There's something tells me, something within me informs me, but it is not love. I know it is not love, but something in me, actually, she is a girl now. She feels shy to say that she is in love with him. So she is saying, I have kind of an emotion which is not love, but it is not hatred either. अब कोई होएगा either plus या minus. It is not plus, it is not minus, then where is it? Okay. But it is not love. I would not lose you. I don't wish to lose you. And you and you know yourself, hate counsels not in such a quality. Now see this, how twistedly she is talking. She is saying that hatred will never advise you to tell somebody to wait at his or her place. Have you all understood the twisted about, turned about sentence that is given over here? Portia talks
Yes,
a
ma'am.
lot.
She is
A
actually
lot.
trying to say that it cannot be hatred that speaks so, because hatred cannot give such a
Such a
advice.
clue for, yeah, such a advice or such a clue for you to stay behind. Hatred cannot say that.
Are you saying something? Can't hear you.
Hello.
I could not hear ma'am speaking, so I was thinking, क्या होगा?
I cannot even see ma'am's avatar on the screen. Now it's here. Yes, ma'am had left for a while. I'm joined again.
There's so much of trouble over here. Okay.
People are throwing cupcakes and
Yeah, again cupcakes are coming to me. Today, मेरा तो whole week का cupcakes आ गया. कितना सारा. Actually, it's like getting disconnected every now and then. Okay. And the teacher will not play all these kind of jokes. This can be done by students, not by teachers. Okay. So it's real network issues. Hate counsels not in such a quality, but lest you should not understand me well. But if you misunderstand me, I don't want you to misunderstand me. But lest you should not understand me well, and yet a maiden hath no tongue but thought. Now, a girl doesn't have so much of a tongue. She might have thoughts, she might feel inclined towards somebody, but she will not have the words to speak out. Okay, so and yet a maiden hath no tongue but thought. I would detain you here some month or two, my God, from Nobonil. Where are you? You are not here? Okay. When I am doing Merchant of Venice, no going here and there. Okay. I would detain you here some month or two. Now, she wants to keep him not only for 1 day, 2 day, which she said just a few sentences ago. Now she is saying for 1 month and 2 months. How can a stranger boy come and stay at your place for 1 and 2 months? Isn't
But
it?
ma'am, Portia has met him already.
So what? But still, I can't get in somebody whom nowadays live-in relationships have become very prominent, but in earlier days it wasn't so prominent that somebody will bring in the girlfriend and the boyfriend and live together. That was not done in those days. So even if I know someone, I will know somebody, then only that I and that somebody will become friends, and then only I will bring that somebody to my house. But it cannot be like that, na, in those days. In those days. Okay. Before you venture for me, before you take the risk for me, I would want to tarry 1 month and more than 1 month. Baapre. Okay. I could teach you how to choose right. Now look at her. She is saying that I can tell you which is the right casket. That I can literally give out. Hello, yes, ma'am.
এটাতে চিটিং আছে টোটাল।
Yes, ma'am. I am in a class, ma'am. Can I talk to you a little later? Around 5:30? 5:30. Okay. Okay. So, and a maiden hath no tongue but thoughts. The maiden just she can have thoughts, she can have her desires and inclination, but she cannot speak it out loud. I would detain you here, but before you venture, I could teach you how to choose right. But then I am forsaken. If I do that, for forsaken, I'm saying forsworn. I am forsworn because then I am violating the rules that is laid by my father. I am violating the oath that I have taken in front of my father at his deathbed. I am forsworn. So will I never be, and I cannot do that. I am not a disobedient child to go against my dad. So may you miss me. Then it can so happen that you choose the wrong casket and you miss me. Look at this boy. He is continuously roaming. Dhruv, where are you? देखो ध्रुव भी नहीं है, नवनील भी नहीं. Okay. So you may miss me. But if you do, you'll make me wish a sin. If you tell me ki, choose the correct casket, tell me which is the correct casket, and I tell you which is the correct casket, then you are enabling me to do a sin. That I had been forsworn, and that sin is violating the oath that I had taken at in front of my father at his deathbed. What happened to this Shreyash? I see he is in no mood to study. Okay, I didn't see this. Anyways, beshrew your eyes. My goodness, now all these cheesy dialogues they begin. Beshrew your eyes means your eyes have cast a magical spell. They have overlooked me. When you looked at me, your eyes have cast the magical spell and divided me. It has divided my heart into two. They have overlooked me and divided me. One half of me is yours. One half of me is already yours. The other half is yours. Actually, one half of me I have already given you. The other half of me, which is now mine, I am ready to give to you. So that means you take the whole heart. Wow. So much of dialogue delivery has started. Beshrew your eyes, they have overlooked me and divided me. One half of me is yours, the other half yours. My own, I would say. The other half, which am, which belongs to me. But if mine, then yours. My goodness. If anything belongs to me, then that something belongs to you. And so, all yours. Thereby, everything belongs to you. My heart is like divided into two. One half, firstly, I give you. The second half, also I'm ready to give you. And then she says, this is not love. Then what the hell is this? If this is not love, this is sheer quintessential love. Nothing else. Okay. All these naughty times. I want to ask you all are now in a vacation, right? You all are having that transition vacation now. Aren't you all
Ma'am,
having?
session break.
Yeah, session break. Yeah. Till when is it?
Ma'am, we haven't been given a date, but I suppose it will start by the 7th or 8th of April.
8th of April. Yeah. That
Yes.
is.
हम लोग को डेट दिया है 13 अप्रैल, लेकिन अब पता नहीं वो ही रहेगा कि नहीं, क्योंकि 13 अप्रैल से बोला था स्कूल आना है, और अब मोदी का वो आया ना नोटिस कि मई से पहले कोई स्कूल चालू नहीं होगा।
हाँ.
तो
Exactly.
कैसे हम लोग का पता है।
ऐसे तो फिर तो समर वेकेशन ही चालू हो जाएगा फिर तो।
मई में तो हाँ, मई में
मतलब
तो
मेरे
summer
साथ भी मोस्ट प्रोबेबली ऑफलाइन ये ऑनलाइन ही होगा।
हाँ, क्योंकि अभी तो 23,000 केसेस मिला ना महाराष्ट्र में।
हाँ,
ये और
cases
बढ़
भी.
रहा है इलेक्शन तक
हाँ।
तो भाई।
This year भी लॉकडाउन में जाएगा तो नेक्स्ट ईयर तो आई विल डाई। मेरा ऐसे ही बहुत नुकसान ऑलरेडी हो चुका है एंड अगर नेक्स्ट ईयर तक मुझे ऐसा ही नुकसान उठाना पड़े तब तो आई एम नोवेयर। अच्छा, एनीवेज लेट इट बी, लेट थिंग्स बी डिसाइडेड बाय गॉड। ओके। Oh, these naughty times. Now she is saying, I am not naughty, you are not naughty, but the time is naughty. Time is evil because you are my possessor. I love myself to be possessed by you, but time is not allowing that. How naughty. Oh, these naughty times put bars between the owners and their rights. That is, they put obstacles between their owners and their rights. See, you are the owner of me and you rightly own me, but then you cannot choose me until and unless there's a selection of the casket. Oh, these naughty times put bars between the owners and their rights, and so, though I am yours, you have to go through the hurdle of choosing me by the casket and then go through the selection process and then I can be yours. अच्छा, now I want to ask you all, जैसे कि मेरा एक पेज यहाँ पे जो एक पेज है वो हो चुका है, तुम लोग को ये पसंद आ रहा है क्या? ये अच्छा लग रहा है?
मैम ठीक है, फिर भी ऐसा नहीं है कि बोर हो रहे हैं।
मुझे भी वैसा ही लग रहा है। ऐसा आई डोंट नो, इन द क्लास तो नोबडी अलाउज मी टू प्रोसीड। हाँ, ओके ही लग रहा है क्योंकि आई थिंक विथ यॉल आई हैव अ गुड बॉन्डिंग एंड देयरबाय यॉल आर बेसिकली बेयरिंग एवरीथिंग। क्लास में ना पीपल डोंट अलाउ मी टू प्रोसीड विद दिस। मतलब वन पैराग्राफ दे काइंड ऑफ मेक द डील कि 30 लाइन से ज्यादा नहीं, 40 लाइन से ज्यादा नहीं। दो आई हैव जस्ट कम टू लाइन नंबर 20, आई एम जस्ट आस्किंग दिस फॉर अ फीडबैक, becomes easier for me to teach. Okay. Put bars between their owners and their rights, and so though yours. Prove it so, lest fortune go to hell for it. If it is proved that I am not yours, then let fortune be damned. And if fortune is damned, then obviously fortune will go to hell for it. Fortune personified will go to hell for it. Okay. Prove it so, let fortune go to hell for it, not I. I don't want to go to hell because I am proclaiming the fact that I wish to be yours. But if fortune plays the evil, then maybe you select the wrong casket. And if you select the wrong casket, then obviously you are somewhere else. Acha. I speak too long. Now she has understood that she has spoken for 25 lines at a stretch. Not 25. In my book, it is 21 lines. I speak too long. but just to pace the time. But I am talking too long. Why? In order to prolong time to the fullest extent. I don't want to, but I wish to prolong time to the fullest extent. Thereby, I am doing it. To ek it, ek is an old English word. It means to carve out, to cull out. C-U-L-L, cull. It can also mean, in proper modern English, it means carve out. To carve out some time. Why is there a dropping? Acha, Amoga is not a one to stay away from it.
Most probably network trouble.
Network, yeah, network
Our-
issues even I'm having.
In our batch, Amoga is the one with most network trouble.
Yeah, he is the one with the most difficult network. Yes, Pragati.
Ma'am, Vanshika, ma'am, I was saying that can you excuse me for a
हाँ
minute?
तुम फर्स्ट फ्लोर पे आ जाओ क्योंकि मैं ग्राउंड फ्लोर पे हूँ नहीं आज। I speak too long, but just to piece the time, to eke it and to draw it out in length. I wish to stretch and stretch the time, to stay you from election, to prevent you from making a selection of the casket. Just 1 second, a girl is there at the door. I'll just come in 1 minute. She's so dumb. Okay. Bassanio says, let me choose. For as I am, I live upon the rack. Now, this is very clear. That is, he lives upon the rack. If you don't know whether the thing in front of you is yours or not yours, obviously you are in a dilemma. And do over there only because I have to take my class here. Okay, so Bassanio says, let me choose, for as I am, I live upon the rack. That is, things are not going much in favor. हाँ वो सेट नहीं कर पाए पेपर टाइम ही नहीं मिला आई एम करेक्टिंग mock papers all over so I'm not getting time to do all this so नहीं तुम ले लो कोई भी तुम्हारा तो होएगा जो नया बुक यू हैव बॉट हाँ वो टेस्ट पेपर लेके सॉल्व करके दिखाओ मुझे ओके Portia says upon the rack, Bassanio. Now, any girls are like this. Nowadays. Nowadays, girls are very smart. But earlier, girls would be like this. That is that whenever a boy would just slip out one or two words which is not in favor of her, she would kind of given these kind of manipulative sentences, as I would say. So nowadays, girls are not like that. They are smart. Okay. So when Bassanio says that I live upon the rack, yes, Amoga. Yes, Amoga, you want to say something?
Ma'am, I had network issues, so I had to.
Yes, you are. You are having. You have to send a message also.
हाँ होता ही चले बोलना.
Oh, acha. Yeah. I understand that you are having. That is only what I am saying for Thursday. Ki if I am having network issues because I live very far away, and if I am having network issues, then please join on Sunday morning. But if I don't have, I will join. Then you all can see. Nobonil, look at this Nobonil. Black and white hoya ache since the time I have started the class. Okay. Once he became, colored, again black and white. Okay. So,
मैम
I
he was
live.
always colored. थोड़ी ना उसका एक ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट रहेगा, पुराने जमाने में थोड़ी ना रहता है.
Acha, Baba. Now, what do you understand by the word I live upon the rack?
Ma'am,
Yes.
I think over here rack is being referred to the instruments of torture. Like there was one that stretched your body, something like that.
Yes, exactly. In those days,
I
this
think he
was,
is referring to Portia saying that she's trying to stretch the time. So he's saying that my body is also being stretched or something like that.
yes, exactly.
And
You
ma'am,
have
is
known.
this also referring to Bassanio's like tension he is having for Antonio and his love for Portia?
Oh
Like he's
my
tense
God.
between them.
Pranshu, I would suggest you don't study in this ICSE or ISC. Get onto the IB board. That will be the best for you. You analyze so well that yes, he is being tortured, because not because of Antonio. I don't think because of Antonio he's being tortured. I feel he's being tortured about the fact कि whether or not Portia will be his. ये torture का point है.
Oh,
Hmm. देखो अभी तो क्लास चल रहा है. अभी I'll tell you after 5:30. Okay. So, upon the rack Bassanio, then confess what treason there is mingled with your love. Acha, Portia has got a clue to start up. Acha, I was talking about the rack and I got distracted. Okay. The rack is in those days when somebody did a crime and did not confess the crime, then they applied methods in order to make him confess the crime. And one such torturous method was making him lie down upon the rack and then stretch him um, towards the upper end and also from the lower end, so that he feels so much of pain in the body. Many a times it so happened that even if somebody did not commit a crime, then somebody admitted it, that yes, I have done it, because it is easy to take a punishment than uh, take in such torture. So that was called the rack, and living upon the rack obviously means living in torture. So in that sense, Bassanio has said that I am in a dilemma, that if I am unable to choose the correct casket, then I can never enjoy your company because I have to leave. Now the question arises that does he know what's in the three casket, that before that only he has just known the injunctions.
ma'am, when
Yes.
they have entered, then Portia is talking about the choice. So I think she has already told Bassanio about the conditions and everything, and we have not been shown that scene.
Yeah, we are not being shown that scene.
And ma'am,
Yeah.
I would also like to point out that the rack was actually every instrument of torture that was there in those times was used for a specific crime, and the rack was used for treason against the state. So the
Oh,
next time, what
acha.
treason there is mingled in your love, I think that is being referred to the rack again. That
Yes,
because the rack
yes,
was used for treasons, so Portia is saying treason. What treason is there?
yes. This is correct. So upon the rack, then confess. Confess means admit. What treason means what is the deceit, treachery, there is mingled with your love. Now, love is always, I think, if you have true love is always quintessential. You can't mix it with anything or everything else. Either you love or you don't love. There is nothing in between love. In between love is only flirting, and that's just not done. Yeah, and that's in no way acceptable. Okay. Love is a different emotion altogether. Portia says, upon the rack, Bassanio, then confess what treason there is mingled with your love. Yeah, very nicely, Pranshu has explained this, that treason was used, like if you have done any treachery against your nation, then you are put to this torture, and thereby this is this instrument of torture, and is very appropriately used by Portia. Bassanio says, none but that ugly treason of mistrust. So again, Bassanio is saying, no, he also can talk well. So Bassanio is saying, I have not done anything. I have not committed any treason. I haven't committed anything. But only the fact that I am doubtful whether or not I will be able to choose the right casket, and whether or not you are going to be my partner in life. That's the only doubt that I have in my mind, which makes me fear the enjoying of my love. And it makes me, it bars me from enjoying love. If you are in love and you can enjoy, obviously, one of my students who is deeply in love now, I will not mention names. That person told me that being in love is a lovely emotion, ma'am, and as I am now, I can really understand. And you all will all know him, but that's why I don't want to mention names. Okay. None but that ugly treason of mistrust. If you have doubt whether or not to get your girlfriend, obviously then you can't enjoy life. Okay. Which makes me fear the enjoying of my love. It bars me from enjoying my love. Acha. There may as well be amity and life. There can be friendship and life between snow and fire. Oh my goodness. Snow and fire happens to be poles apart. Like if you have snow, you can never have fire. If you have fire, you can never have snow. And similarly, the same thing is like between me and my love. My love is so pure as treason and my love. So there is no cheating, no deceit, no treachery between me and my love. You all have understood? Can I proceed?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Um, Sounding good? Works good with you all?
Yes, ma'am.
When it is really getting boring, then please we can have a chit chat on this matter and that matter and again come back to it. But please see what happens is in the class, what happens is like people they play a game of Ludo, or they do something here that mere saath bhi chit chat they do, and after that again they come back to something as boring as this. Yes, Amoga, you want to say something?
You're absolutely right, actually. Because if you are having a constant problem in understanding, you tend to get distracted easily.
Yes, you have a point there. Between snow and fire as reason and my love. Now Portia says, but I fear you speak upon the rag. Yes, your words seem very tormented. It seems that you are upon the rag. But I fear you speak upon the rack, where men enforced do speak anything. Very many times, as I told you, now this particular instrument is um, so torturous that the pain in the body is so immense that people, even if they haven't committed the crime, they say that they have committed the crime. So, where men enforced do speak anything, they confess even crimes which they haven't committed. Bassanio says, promise me life and I'll confess the truth. That is, if you, my God, it's so cheesy. If you promise me that I will get back life after choosing the casket, then I will confess the truth to you. Portia says, well then, confess and live. What is the thing? Like, confess again, make a choice, and then you can live. or if not, they will not die. Do you think these lovers are those kind of lovers that if they don't get one or the other in love, then they are going to die?
Ma'am,
इस
I
तरह का
think this is
मनोवियोग
being referred to pirates or some kind of government where if you confessed your sins or confessed your accusation, then you would be allowed to live, otherwise you had to die or something like that.
Why did that exclamation come from Amoga?
No one, they would not die for each other, that's for sure.
Arre, let's just suppose that some pirates capture you and they are asking you for your money and you are not telling them that where you have hidden it, and then they make you walk the plank and they say that if you confess you will be allowed to live, and if you don't then you will have to walk the plank and die. Now do you understand what I mean to say?
Yes, we
Oh,
all
one
have
more.
understood it very well.
Yeah, got it.
We all have understood that really nicely. Okay. Portia says, well then confess and live. Bassanio says, confess and love have been the very sum of my confession. That is, yes, that's the very substance of what I say. Yes, I want to make a choice of the casket, and then if fortune is in my favor, then I can live a life with you. Apart from this, I don't want to say anything. This is the summary of all that I want to say. Who is not there in the class today apart from Kushagra and Shreyash?
Abhyuday.
Oh, Abhyuday. Abhyuday is not in town. And he told, okay, when I said that I will not be able to take the class downstairs, nobody will come today. So, and you know, from morning 7 o'clock till 1 o'clock, I was in the classroom. Na? So I am also getting a headache. All the CBSE papers are being done, and those papers are 3 hours. So they started off at 10 in the morning, and 1 o'clock tak bhi khatam nahi hua. That was dragged a bit. So that's why, and there's a lot of work also. So had been the very sum of my confession. Oh, happy torment. Now Portia is a bit too much of a, dramatic lady. She's so dramatic. She's saying, torment is happy. When my torturer don't teach me answers
Ma'am,
for
this is
deliverance.
Bassanio speaking.
Oh, sorry. Yes, this is Bassanio speaking. And he is also very dramatic. Why only the girl will be? The boy is also dramatic, equally dramatic. Oh, happy torment. I love the torment. Torment is so blessed. When my torturer don't teach me answers for deliverance. Will someone explain this or will I explain? The one who is torturing me is the one who is taking me from my sin or whatever, from my place to my deliverance. Now somebody explain. But let me to my fortune and the caskets. But
Person
please
who is
let
guiding him or her to follow a path. So either that person is a good person taking him to a place where he is going to get something good, or the person will be a bad person which may take him to his very like failure, yeah, yogi
Ma'am, I
Buddha.
think he means to say that the torment that he is undergoing will be happy for him because he is being tormented by his love.
yes. He is tormented by his love. Not tormented by the love, tormented by the doubt in love.
Ma'am,
He
more
whether
like for his love. Because either he will gain it or he will lose.
yeah. Portia says, away then, I am locked in one of them. Today, throughout the day, I found this Nobonil playing some game or something or the other and not paying attention. It is all right. 1 or 2 days, one doesn't feel like doing the class, but at least once in a blue moon, even Dhruv is going out, but at least once in a blue moon, though, you have to pay attention. Okay. Portia says, Avi, then I'm locked in one of them. Okay, if you want to make a choice, and then if you want to, if we can enjoy the company of one another, then I am locked in one of the caskets. It's not that I am locked, one of my portrait is there. Okay. If you do love me, if you truly love me, you will find me out. I am sure you're going to choose the right casket if you love me. Uh, Nerissa and the rest all stand aloof. Now I'm going to make a choice of the casket. Nerissa, you and all the other mates, let them stand aloof, let them stand aside. Let music sound while he doth make his choice. That is, now from here starts the clue business, which doesn't get into my head that what clue is Portia giving Bassanio, which she hasn't given. The only clue that what I find over here is all music and everything is being played for Bassanio, but for Aragon and Morocco, nothing was played. No music, no nothing. Then why so much for Aragon,
Ma'am, but
Bassanio?
how would Bassanio know that? He doesn't know how many suitors have come before him because no one is allowed to say.
No, I'm not saying Bassanio is is at a fault. I'm saying that why is Portia doing this excess for Bassanio, which she hasn't done for the other suitors?
Actually,
That
ma'am,
is,
I
I
think
think,
she
where
is
the teacher
actually
says
giving him a clue because when I am reading it,
yes.
I can find some very subtle clue. When we
You can
get to it,
find
I will just say so things.
okay. You can find subtle clues. Okay. Nerissa and the rest stand all aloof. Let music sound while he doth make his choice. When he is making his choice, let's have some orchestra. And I think that this girl, Portia, has orchestra at her place only. Then if he lose, he make a swan-like end. That is, if he loses, then his end or his death, whatever, it is going to be swan-like. Can anybody tell me how it is going to be swan-like? Please don't read the footnotes that is given at the end of your. Uh,
Ma'am, there
yeah,
is no other explanation. That is the only explanation. Because in the Elizabethan era, it was believed that swans don't have a voice and they only sing once before they die, and therefore
when they
they
die.
say
Yes,
that if he lose, then it will be like a swan's death. And because of
yes.
the music, it is the last music that will be played, or the swan sings once only.
Yes, exactly that. But I didn't want you all to see into that, that little footnote because I wanted you all ki from your general knowledge only you all say ki I would have asked you all, have you all heard the swan quacking? Have you all seen the swan? Have you all heard the
Uh,
swan
I
quacking every
have.
now? You have heard the swan quacking?
Yes, ma'am. Swans are just like albino ducks. So
Um, yes, but they are really, really majestic. I don't know your what duck you said, biological term or whatever, but
ma'am,
term.
albino just means pure white.
Pre Baba. But whatever it is, if it is pure white, obviously it will look very beautiful upon the green and blue water. Swan like and fading in music. I'll stop here today. Fading in music. I don't like to stop your classes. Your classes are something that I like enjoying. And it's quite okay. But anyways, I have other tuitions and so many mocks to correct. Achha, there is this song. Tell me where is fancy bread? In the heart or in the head? So there, you are saying that there is a clue, and you want to know the rhyming scheme of that. No, no, no.
No, ma'am. I got the clues without the rhyming scheme. But
Acha, acha.
I would like to have the rhyming scheme and the meter.
Okay, I'll fetch out the scrolls and I'll check out what is that. If there is any, we'll never finish this. Good. Okay, so fingers crossed for the Thursday class because I have never taken a class outside. So I here this time Thursday I will do that. And if I seriously have network problem, I may not have at all. Then the class is being shifted. I'll give it in the WhatsApp that the class is being shifted. Otherwise, Thursday 4:30 normal classes. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
हाँ, हाँ.